he's good.
See, when he said he was chopping that down, like, do you need help? He's like, no, it's little. I'll get it. It'll be all right.
Grant. Well, don't pencil, but yeah, don't either keep your arms up or down.
Don't go like this.
Yeah, I know. I'll do what I do.
Do what you do.
I do what I do. This is really high up. It's a lot harder to do.
Well, you can't get down any other way, so.
Yep, I know. All right. So right there.
Sure.
I'm gonna jump from here to there.
Okay. Here you go. 1, 2.
Don't count. All right. Ready?
Okay, reach out and hold that other limb up there.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. I like roller coasters better. Get it strapped in. And it's gonna happen no matter what.
Jump for that.
I have to actually jump this time.
Go for the fish right there.
I can't see it. I don't have glasses on. Alright. Alright.
Way to go, Grant.
That's time for 2 screens that time.
What's that?
That's time for 2 screens.
Or 1.5. So you glad you did it?
Yes, I'm glad I did it.
Huh?